All right, let's do this in 5 minutes or less. Here is the link. Add to Chrome. Make sure you select your RLC email. Once you're in, it's going to look something like this. You'll have a default lesson, which you can ignore. First thing you want to do is add your classes. So just click on classes. Notice I've already added 2. To do that, just click on new class, create a class, import from Google Classroom, and it'll let you choose whatever classrooms that you have. So you can even make sure it's right by basing on how many students there are in. Yes, this is my current class list for media arts. So how do I add a lesson? Well, let's take Graham's article real quick. Click on my little icon in my Chrome. I can choose a template if I want. I can just press dismiss. For this case, I'm going to press dismiss. So let's see. I want to highlight something that's really interesting. So 20 years. Okay. So I can add a comment if I want. By adding plus, enter comment. Wow. Okay. And so when the students come here, they'll see this highlighted, and when they click on it, they'll see the comment. You can add, let's say, a question. So if I click on question, and which paragraph do I want to ask a question about? Maybe this. Okay. I can either select a pre-made question, or I can type it in myself, see how many points it's worth, press create, and now the students will be able to answer the questions, and you obviously can go back in here and view their responses. You can also add discussions. So let's say, for example, right here, what's the topic? For example, press create, and I want it to be only showing, well, all classes for now. Later on, once I assign it to a class, I can change it to only that class. So once I'm done, I will assign it. So I'm going to assign it to students. I'm going to say Media Arts 18 and assign. And there it is. And now I should be able to select only what class I want this to be assigned to. Once I'm done, if I go back to my classes here, Media Arts 2018, there it is. It's already posted the assignment in here, and I can go and edit it and give it a topic, give it a due date, and put in any other information. If I go back to my dashboard, you will see that this new lesson is here. There are a lot of free lessons already made for you in the public library if you want to use it. Grades, you can search through your different grades if you want. But that's about it. I know there's a few questions at the beginning to ask you what you're teaching and stuff. Throw that in, and then you're good to go. If you do anything, I would love to see it. Thank you. Good luck.